So that's and then after Prof answers, I'll be ready for
Yeah, as you say, the sheer volumes of data, you can't even comprehend them. And you certainly can't analyze them even in a spreadsheet. You're talking data science now. And so I would encourage those who are teaching journalism, get your students to take a data science parallel major. Because Africa doesn't lack in talent. I mean, I'm sure if there are Ugandan students studying computer science at my alma mater, again, we probably see them top of the class. That's one area that I think Africa can compete in this thing, data science. Not to export people, because, well, that's good for them and good for their families, but it's not ideal for the country. There are lots of opportunities to use data here for all things, including data in the media. Media is one of the most backward sectors in terms of using data. Understanding, for example, what are people looking at the website, understanding the churn of people, understanding basically how much traffic are you getting from Twitter, from email newsletters, from using that data. You know this as well as I do. Anyway, but we've got to raise awareness about the power of data and get data capacity. And then you're right that in most of these things, Africans are consumers. But let us remember, consumers have rights, consumer rights. That's really important. When people are, fintech people are taking all the data of your contacts and bad-mouthing you to all your contacts, that's a consumer issue. You can get a data protection authority to say no. Actually, these fintech, they may be cross-country, but they're not based in California. I mean, these are often based locally. And so I think that we have to push for that. And this data protection, I hope that this AI task force will look at data protection, data usage, data sharing. The AU has a data strategy, which is quite useful, interesting to try and promote some of these issues. And then data ownership. This is very, very important. I mean, how much longer are Africans' data going to be taken without any real material benefit? Now you get